Hey guys, Dallas here from Dunn Watson, just showing you our 16mm recessed cam lock kits for truck doors. You'll see that they're available in both a zinc plating and a 304 stainless steel. They're recessed in design, so this dish is obviously cut into your door and it sits proud like this, and there's your fixing points there. This kit itself is both key locking, so when I lock that, this cam is locked in place, and you'll see that you also have the ability to put a padlock in there as well, if you like. Then obviously in your unlocked position, this can depress to release the handle, and then obviously designed to suit a 16mm pipe. You've got your roll pins to help secure that pipe in place, and then obviously you've got your teardrop keepers and cams, and as you would rotate that with the pipe fitted to this, it's going to roll away and unlock your door from that position. So as I mentioned, zinc plated, stainless steel, 16mm pipe, these ones are designed for. If you have any questions though, please give us a call or flick us an email.